Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Audi Q7 Dashboard. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake before you begin removing trim. Use a soft pry tool to gently release clips around the glove box and center stack to avoid damage. Keep a magnetic tray for screws and note connector locations as you go, so reassembly is straightforward and stress-free. Begin by removing lower panels to expose mounting screws and the main fascia fasteners in a logical order. Work methodically from the center outward, keeping screws and clips organized and in sequence for easy reassembly. Carefully unplug electrical connectors using release tabs and avoid pulling on wires directly. Keep a flashlight handy to inspect hidden fasteners and use gentle, steady force to prevent breaking fragile plastic clips. Prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery and waiting a few minutes before touching any airbag or electronic components. Keep metal tools away from contacts and use insulated drivers when possible to reduce short risk. If you encounter resistance, stop and recheck for hidden screws or retaining tabs so you do not force and break pieces. When in doubt, take photos during disassembly to guide a confident and safe reassembly process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.